If you are delivering a presentation in a physical environment, either for two people or a room full of colleagues, make sure to keep eye contact. This will create a connection and help them pay attention to you. If it is a room full of people, try and avoid only looking at the front row. Mentally break down the audience into 4 groups and then focus on the midpoint of each cluster while talking. Don't forget to switch your focus between each cluster. If you're new to conducting presentations and feel a bit nervous when making eye contact, focus on the center of their forehead. And don't forget to have a pleasant smile on your face. Check on my previous videos for more information and stay connected with me as I share more tips and tricks on how best you can master your presentation skills.